I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with 2 essentials. Be signed into an admin account and have a recent backup, just in case. Once ready, open the Apple menu and choose System Settings. On older Mac OS, that's System Preferences. Then go straight to General and pick Language and Region. You see the current primary language. Don't pause, click the Add button to add a new language. This first action starts the system-wide switch, and you'll control order and preferences in the next steps. Now you add and set priority. Click the plus sign, search using the language's native name if that's faster, and add it. Once the language appears, drag it to the top of the list to make it primary. Mac OS may ask to apply the change system-wide or for just your account. Choose system-wide if you want everything consistent. Make sure to adjust region, calendar, and measurement settings here, and note you can set app-specific language preferences later in app settings. Finish by approving the restart or logging out as prompted. The change typically applies after you sign in again. Once booted, verify menus and system dialogues show the new language. Make sure input sources match the keyboard layout. If some apps still show the old language, quit and reopen them, or set per app languages in App Info. If the change won't stick, try Safe Boot or Reset NVRAM. These clear cached settings, then repeat the language steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.